Hi, I'm Allie Coben. I am from Charlotte, North Carolina. I will be a rising junior this upcoming year. I'm a nutrition and dietetics major right now, and my plans after graduation. I hope to get out west. I hope to travel. I hope to try a bunch of different foods and eat my way around the world. And if that doesn't work, then I would definitely try to go into the Peace Corps. Still try to travel, but also work in other countries and see what they eat and their culture. And I hope to learn within being a nutrition major, I hope to learn how culture affects what we eat and why we eat it and everything like that. That definitely interests me, and I'm excited to learn about that. And something unique about me. Um, I backpacked across the country for 23 days with complete strangers, and it was the best thing I've ever done. So yeah, that's me.